Hello, and welcome to English Vibes. Today's story is about a man in a garage with his son who are working on his car. And we will talk about the story first and then go over the vocabulary. Once upon a sunny Saturday morning, John, a middle-aged man with a passion for cars, found himself in his cluttered garage, determined to give his beloved vintage Mustang a well-deserved tune-up. His young son, Timmy, wide-eyed and eager to learn, had asked if he could help his dad with the car. John, thrilled to share his love for automobiles with his son, agreed wholeheartedly. The garage was a treasure trove of tools and memories, with a faint scent of motor oil lingering in the air. Sunlight streamed in through dusty windows, casting warm rays on the old red Mustang that had seen better days. "All right, Timmy," John said with a grin, wiping his greasy hands on a rag. "First things first. Let me show you the heart of this beauty." He popped the hood, revealing the intricacies of the car engine. Timmy stared at the engine, marveling at the maze of wires, pipes, and metallic parts. "Wow, Dad, it looks complicated." John chuckled. "It might seem that way, but with the right tools and some patience, we can tackle anything. Let me introduce you to some of my trusty companions." He reached for a toolbox and opened it, revealing a collection of well-worn tools, each with its own unique story. He picked up a wrench and handed it to Timmy. "This, my boy, is a wrench. It's like a superhero's secret weapon in the world of cars. We use it to tighten or loosen nuts and bolts." Timmy held the wrench in his small hand, feeling the weight of its history. "What's next, Dad?" John pointed to the nearby shelf filled with assorted tools. "Over here, you'll find pliers. They're like a car's gentle fingers when we need to grip and twist things. And here," he said, pulling out a ratchet wrench. "This is like a magic wand for getting into tight spots." As the day went on, John and Timmy worked side by side, dismantling and inspecting various parts of the car engine. John explained each tool's purpose and how it contributed to the intricate dance of fixing the Mustang. "See the screwdrivers, Timmy?" John asked, holding up a flathead screwdriver. "It's like a key that can unlock hidden secrets in the engine. And this socket wrench is like a master key for removing different sized nuts and bolts." Timmy nodded, absorbing his father's words like a sponge. His curiosity and excitement grew with each tool he learned about. As the sun began to set, the father-son duo successfully made progress on the Mustang. John, covered in grease and sweat, looked at Timmy and said, "You know, son, working on cars isn't just about fixing them. It's about understanding how they work, appreciating the craftsmanship, and passing on the knowledge to the next generation." Timmy smiled, his face smeared with a mix of dirt and fascination. "I'm really lucky to have you as my dad teaching me all of this." John ruffled Timmy's hairs affectionately. "And I'm lucky to have you as my apprentice. Someday this old Mustang will be yours, and you can pass down what you've learned to your own son." As they continued their work in the dimming garage, the bond between father and son grew stronger, and the vintage Mustang's engine hummed with renewed life, echoing the timeless connection between generations who shared a love for cars and the tools that brought them to life.